What's the meaning of conciliator? Conciliator. Conciliator.
Conciliator. Conciliator. A conciliator is someone who helps resolve disputes or conflicts between two or more parties by acting as a neutral third party. The conciliator's role is to facilitate communication and negotiation between the involved parties, with the goal of finding a mutually acceptable solution. Conciliators may be appointed by government bodies, labor unions, or private organizations, and they may have specialized training in conflict resolution techniques. The result of successful conciliation is a resolution that satisfies all parties involved, without resorting to legal action or further conflict.